I think we're heading towards something incredible. Everyone's going to want their own personal C-3PO or R2-D2 helper robot. It's going to be absolutely wild. Now, if you had to bet on any company making this happen, it would be impossible not to choose Tesla. What they've achieved in the last 10 years has been absolutely insane, and in the next decade, the entire world is going to be completely transformed by Tesla's Optimus robot. You'll spot them everywhere serving food in restaurants, strolling through parks, working on streets, and dominating factory floors. We're talking about billions of units that people will actually buy. The speed of progress on the Tesla bot has been way faster than anyone predicted. Remember back in January when it was walking like a toddler learning to take its first steps? Everyone was laughing. But by the end of that same year, it completely shattered the record for humanoid robots with the most natural-looking walking pattern we've ever witnessed from a machine. And that was just version 2.5. But here's what's really going to blow everyone's mind: Optimus Gen 3 is coming. Elon Musk himself has confirmed that Optimus Gen 3, the commercial production version ready for the real world, launches in Q1 next year, and it's bringing a massive technological leap that nobody saw coming. Musk claims Optimus Gen 3 will handle up to 4,000 different useful tasks, everything from scrubbing your floors and cooking your meals to providing care for elderly family members. Honestly, we had our doubts at first, but after watching the recent demo videos, those doubts completely vanished. Optimus Gen 3 is definitely going to be a game-changing leap forward compared to anything we've seen before, not just from Tesla's earlier versions but from every other humanoid robot company trying to compete in this space. So what makes Optimus Gen 3 so incredibly special? And why is Elon Musk so confident when he boldly states that Tesla will dominate and lead the entire robot revolution? When you actually see Optimus 3 in action, it will genuinely seem like there's a real person inside a robot suit, which is funny because that's literally how Tesla started with the very first Optimus introduction. If you remember that initial presentation, the robot could barely shuffle forward. It moved awkwardly and painfully slowly with the most unnatural walking pattern you could imagine. But since then, Tesla has dramatically transformed its mobility capabilities in ways nobody expected. Recently, Optimus Gen 3 has been clocked running at speeds up to 6.8 miles per hour, which is genuinely fast enough to zip around factories or industrial zones without causing any disruptions to normal operations. This doesn't just show major technological progress, it proves Tesla's massive investment in advanced sensors, precision motion control systems, and incredibly sophisticated stabilization algorithms is paying off big time. With that 6.8 miles per hour running speed, Optimus Gen 3 can tackle tasks requiring quick and efficient movement without any struggle maintaining balance or risk of toppling over like earlier prototypes. And here's something that really sets it apart: Elon Musk has stated multiple times that Optimus Gen 3 can operate continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without needing any rest whatsoever. This transforms the robot into an essential tool for both households and businesses, capable of handling boring, mind-numbing, repetitive tasks without any drop in performance quality. Its ability to work around the clock will turn Optimus Gen 3 into an incredibly powerful labor asset in virtually any environment you can think of. Musk even claims it will be 5 times more productive than a human worker. If Optimus achieves 5 times the productivity of a person per year because it operates 24/7 without breaks, and it doesn't even need to stop for charging because it can operate while tethered and plugged in the entire time, that's absolutely revolutionary. Before we dive deeper into what makes this robot so special, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for Tech Drive so you never miss our future tech updates and breakthrough coverage. One of the most remarkable features of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to handle an incredibly wide range of different tasks that would blow your mind. While competing robots might be agile and can do backflips for the cameras, they usually can only perform simple actions like picking up objects or maintaining their balance for show. Optimus Gen 3, on the other hand, can accomplish far more complex operations than that. The difference is crystal clear. While competitors focus on gymnastics and flashy acrobatic movements just to showcase mobility and get views on social media, Elon Musk has invested the majority of resources and development effort into perfecting the robot's hands, which is what actually matters for real-world usefulness. These were Optimus hands way back in 2021, they looked primitive and clunky. Now just look at its hands today, they're completely transformed into something extraordinary. There are numerous demo videos proving that the Tesla bot can cook full meals, clean your entire home, and perform various complex tasks that require genuine dexterity. But looking toward the future, it might even be capable of working in hospital operating rooms or precision manufacturing facilities. Musk has even suggested that Optimus will become an incredible surgeon. And just imagine if everyone on Earth had access to an incredible surgeon at affordable prices. This means Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't just some household cleaning assistant. It could potentially perform actual medical procedures in the role of a surgical assistant, or maybe even a full surgeon. We're not completely certain about that yet since it's obviously still early days. But Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that Optimus could eventually achieve surgical precision that actually surpasses human surgeons because robots don't have shaky hands or get tired. One of the critical factors allowing Optimus Gen 3 to operate continuously for up to 10 hours without needing a recharge is its completely new battery technology. Elon Musk revealed that Tesla has switched to using their advanced 4680 battery cells for Optimus Gen 3. Which enables the robot to work much longer without any interruptions. This represents a major improvement over previous versions that could only operate for a couple hours before desperately needing to recharge. Optimus Gen 3 can even charge itself automatically without any user intervention required. When its battery level gets low, the robot will simply navigate back to its charging station and dock itself perfectly. This is an incredibly convenient feature that eliminates the need for users to manually plug in and charge the robot, making Optimus Gen 3 an ideal choice for households and businesses looking to fully automate work without constantly worrying about energy management issues. Unlike basic robots that can only perform rigid pre-programmed tasks, Optimus Gen 3 can actually learn from real-world experience, similar to how humans learn through watching others and practicing. To make this possible, Tesla uses an incredibly advanced AI system developed directly from the company's full self-driving technology that's already being tested in millions of Teslas on roads worldwide. This technological foundation gives Optimus Gen 3 the ability to recognize and interact with real-world objects with shocking accuracy. For example, when the robot walks into a kitchen for the first time, it can automatically understand that a knife is a cutting tool, a pan is for cooking food, and dishes are for holding meals. Its advanced 3D cameras and sensor arrays allow Optimus Gen 3 to build a detailed three-dimensional map of its entire surroundings and automatically plan its movements without requiring any human intervention or guidance. So what's actually happening inside the Tesla Optimus factory right now? And how exactly is the robot being trained to do all these amazing things? The truth is Tesla doesn't actually have a dedicated factory solely for producing Optimus yet. They're planning to build a massive production plant in Texas soon, but for now, the assembly and training of Optimus units are still being done manually by engineers at the Fremont factory. When we talk about Tesla Bot Gen 3 being able to perform thousands of different tasks, most people don't realize the absolutely enormous amount of effort Tesla's engineering team has invested into training the AI and developing all the technology powering Optimus Gen 3. Building this robot isn't just about improving the mechanical parts or programming better software. It also involves collecting massive amounts of human motion data so Optimus can learn how to interact with its environment exactly the way a real person would. Although Optimus Gen 3 can perform thousands of tasks, those incredible breakthroughs are only possible thanks to the absolutely massive collection of human motion data Tesla has gathered. To accomplish this, Tesla has employees wearing full motion capture suits, helmets equipped with cameras, and backpacks carrying between 66 to 88 pounds of recording equipment all day long. These workers repeatedly perform simple everyday actions like holding a glass of water without spilling, folding clothes neatly, pulling curtains open, wiping tables clean, and just walking around naturally. Every single movement gets captured in extreme detail so Optimus Gen 3's AI system can be trained to replicate those exact actions with precision. The collected data then gets fed into the AI system to help the robot learn how to move, react, and interact with its surroundings just like a human would. This is one of the most crucial steps for enabling Optimus Gen 3 to perform tasks in the unpredictable real world. Something you probably didn't know is that Tesla Gen 3 isn't like traditional robots that need to be programmed step by step for every single action. Instead, Optimus Gen 3 uses an advanced sim-to-real learning method. This revolutionary approach allows the robot to learn tasks through simulated real-world environments first, similar to how humans learn through observation and hands-on practice. Another special capability worth mentioning is Optimus' potential for data sharing across the entire network. This means that when one Optimus Gen 3 learns a completely new task, it can instantly share that knowledge with all other robots in the Tesla bot network worldwide. If one Optimus learns the perfect technique for making pizza, that data gets automatically transmitted to all the others, allowing the entire system to grow smarter collectively without any user intervention needed. We believe this will not only make Optimus Gen 3 smarter over time, but also increasingly better at adapting to each human's unique needs and personal habits. If you own 2 Tesla bots in your home, they'll automatically cooperate and synchronize their data, allowing each robot to understand and perform tasks in the most optimal way specifically for you as their owner. One of the most important and complex parts of Tesla Gen 3 is definitely its robotic hand, which was specifically designed to perform tasks requiring flexibility, extreme precision, and realistic sensory feedback. The hand of Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a supporting tool for grabbing things. It's actually the key component that determines whether the robot can handle delicate, intricate tasks that previously only humans could do successfully. As clearly shown in the latest demo video, it's genuinely impressive. Even though it's only version 2.5, we can see each individual finger moving independently, performing complex motions with exceptional smoothness that looks almost organic. This represents a major leap compared to earlier generations like Optimus Gen 2, whose hand had only about 11 degrees of freedom and featured exposed joints and actuators that looked quite unrefined and mechanical. The new hand can move with human-like dexterity, capable of gentle grasping when needed, yet strong enough to hold objects very securely. Tiny actuators embedded inside the hand allow Optimus to move each finger completely independently, enabling tasks that require extremely high precision. These movements are carefully modeled after the actual biomechanics of the human hand, with each finger having 3 flexible joints just like real fingers. This is especially important for tasks that require precise gripping and careful handling of small fragile objects. For example, Optimus Gen 3 can hold a delicate glass without breaking it, and it can even peel an orange without crushing it. The main limitations robots usually face when performing such delicate tasks are force sensitivity and proper tactile feedback. But Optimus Gen 3 has overcome this major challenge thanks to a sophisticated combination of tactile sensors and miniaturized actuators working together. The massive improvements in AI capabilities and self-learning systems make Optimus Gen 3 not just another piece of technology, but a true collaborator in any work environment. This development doesn't stop at just improving task efficiency. It expands into creating a much larger interconnected robotic ecosystem where Optimus can learn and adapt to absolutely any setting. The combination of sim-to-real technology and an automated learning network allows Optimus Gen 3 to become a truly intelligent robot capable of handling tasks ranging from simple to incredibly complex while learning through observation and real-world experiences. This not only makes the robot smarter over time, but also dramatically increases the practical value of every single Optimus unit, turning it into an incredibly powerful tool, not just for regular households, but also in demanding industrial and medical environments. Elon Musk stirred up massive public attention when he boldly stated that work will become completely optional and money will gradually lose its traditional value thanks to the rapid advancement of AI and robotics technology. If in the past people worried that robots would steal human jobs, Musk now believes that Optimus will open the door to a future where humans simply no longer need to work to survive. It's an incredibly promising vision, but it also raises major questions about the future of labor in an age of complete automation. Right now, people still have to work to sustain their lives, earn money, and meet essential needs for survival. But with the rapid development of AI and robots like Optimus, work may genuinely no longer be necessary. Optimus Gen 3 is the clearest proof of that shift. Just imagine not having to wake up early on a Sunday morning to clean your house, cook breakfast, and finish all those tedious chores. Optimus would handle absolutely everything for you automatically. All your household tasks would be completed without you lifting a single finger. It sounds like pure science fiction, but that's exactly the future. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is actively aiming for a world where work becomes optional, and we can truly enjoy life without worrying about working just to survive day to day. With its ability to perform 4,000 different tasks, from cooking gourmet meals and deep cleaning to caring for sick family members, Tesla Gen 3 is truly a revolutionary solution for busy modern families. Imagine if the Tesla bot could also assist with elderly care. With its ability to detect physiological signals and vital signs, the robot could help seniors with tasks like mobility support, personal hygiene, and basic health care. This is especially important in modern society where the elderly population is rapidly growing and healthcare demands continue rising dramatically. Beyond household tasks, Optimus Gen 3 could also play a massive role in factories and industrial settings worldwide. With its ability to move quickly, work non-stop around the clock, and perform complex tasks such as precision assembly, quality inspection, or material handling, Tesla Bot Gen 3 can completely replace humans in jobs that require high precision and repetitive labor. Elon Musk has shared that Tesla's ambitious goal is to integrate robots into the production process at Tesla's own factories first, starting with the gigafactories and eventually expanding to other companies and industries worldwide. Optimus Gen 3 units will help dramatically boost productivity, significantly reduce labor costs, and most importantly, minimize the risk of workplace accidents that injure or kill workers. Tedious, dangerous, and repetitive tasks such as operating heavy machinery or assembling tiny components will become the sole responsibility of robots. One of the biggest benefits Optimus Gen 3 brings to the industrial sector is its ability to handle extremely dangerous jobs that humans simply cannot or definitely should not do. Tasks like operating heavy machinery, working in toxic environments, or navigating hazardous spaces can all be safely handled by this robot. This not only helps protect workers' health and safety, but also increases efficiency and productivity in manufacturing significantly. Elon Musk has shared that Optimus Gen 3 will not just be a single product release, but the first step in an entirely new generation of robots. According to Musk's ambitious plans, Tesla intends to produce 10 million Optimus Gen 4 robots and eventually 100 million Optimus Gen 5 robots in the future. This is an extremely ambitious goal that sounds almost impossible, but with Tesla's current manufacturing capabilities and technology, it may actually be achievable. With large-scale production plans like this, Optimus Gen 3 will not only be used in homes and factories. It could also be widely deployed across industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Tesla aims to produce 10 million Optimus Gen 4 robots per year, with Optimus Gen 5 potentially reaching up to 100 million units produced annually. This demonstrates Tesla's massive ambition to make Optimus Gen 3 not just a widely used product, but one capable of truly replacing humans in many jobs across society. The ability to manufacture millions of robots each year will not only reduce costs dramatically, but also make Optimus more accessible and widely adopted. However, achieving this incredible goal requires Tesla to build a highly optimized production process, especially when it comes to managing and operating its manufacturing lines efficiently. Musk shared that Tesla will need to create an entirely new supply chain from scratch to meet the production demands of Optimus Gen 3 and its successors. This represents not only a technological challenge, but also a large-scale logistics and management problem that Tesla must solve. Optimus Gen 3 is not merely an automation tool for businesses. It introduces a completely new business model built around robotics and artificial intelligence. Musk emphasized that Optimus Gen 3 can help businesses dramatically reduce labor costs and increase efficiency while generating a new stream of income for robot owners. A unique feature of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to actually generate revenue for users. Musk mentioned that owners could potentially recover their entire investment within just 2 to 3 years by renting out Optimus Gen 3 to perform tasks for small businesses such as serving food in restaurants or working in hospitals. With an estimated price ranging from $30,000 to $50,000 per robot, users could recoup this investment by renting the robot out for industrial and service sector work. Elon Musk also revealed that Optimus Gen 3 could be rented out as a source of passive income. With the rise of sharing economy technologies, owners of Optimus Gen 3 could rent their robots to companies for tasks such as transportation, elder care, or factory work. This is an innovative business model that not only saves costs but also paves the way for a future robot sharing economy. In the end, Optimus Gen may 3 become an absolutely indispensable part of everyday life, as it automates nearly every field from households to industry and even healthcare. Thanks to incredible advances in AI and sensor technology, Optimus Gen 3 will be able to operate in unpredictable real-world environments, understand human gestures and intentions, and perform tasks that require high precision and adaptability. Musk also shared that Optimus Gen 3 will not be a product only for the wealthy elite. It will be a useful tool for everyone regardless of income. The goal is to give people more time to enjoy life without having to do repetitive or exhausting work. Tesla Bot Gen 3 will not just replace labor. It will help people live better, work less, and enjoy more. So would you actually want to own a Tesla Optimus Gen 3 in the future? And are you worried that robots might take away human jobs? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to Tech Drive for more future tech content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.